tell you what, I tell you what, Marjorie, if I had the option, I'd have a personal trainer every day to get me off, because I'm so fucking lazy.
Having a conversation with a couple of the guys at my gym a couple of days ago, and we were talking about how much to support people. And I liken supporting people to being a manager. I've been a manager before, managing a team of people, and it's kind of the same thing. Because you see, when you're a manager, you recruit the right people, you then put the right people in the right roles. That translates over to training in the sense of giving the right people the right training program, the right nutrition protocol for them, etc. You give your staff, your clients, all the tools they need to achieve the goal they want to achieve or to do the job. And then you empower them to do it. The problem is, if you are micromanaging your clients, i.e. checking in every day, what you're up to, how's it getting on, etc. Yeah, there's a time and a place for that. If your client has committed gross misconduct and you're just trying to get them on track with a couple of days of focus, a couple of days of intense check-ins or intense support. But like being a manager, I've been micromanaged and I fucking hated it. Most people who are micromanaged fucking hate it because you're not trusted to get on with your job. And therefore, micromanaging your clients and seeing them too often or checking in with them too often is all well and good in a very, very short term. But over the long period of time, our job, or my job, I see it as a facilitator. My job is to give you those tools, empower you to do it, and get you to the point where you don't need me anymore. Like with my staff, when I trained or when I managed them, it was a case of I wanted to manage them to the point where they could do my job. Which sounds a bit, oh Jesus, the company will just get rid of you and put the other guy in place. But no, the fact is, that is what we're trying to do, and that's what I'm trying to do as a PT. Anybody I take on, I try and get them to the point where they don't need me. Because A, if they see results, they're a walking, talking advert for me, which is fucking fantastic. But B, you can't have a personal trainer for your entire life unless your name is Kim Kardashian. Therefore, the time you've got with someone has to be incredibly valuable so that they can then get to a point where they don't need your help anymore, because pretty soon they ain't going to be able to afford your help. So, the same way when it comes to managing a team, if you check in with someone every single day, or that person is seeing you every single day, you're not doing anything for them because the onus is completely on the trainer. So if you yourself are thinking, like Marjorie was, or whatever the fuck her name was hoping for a personal trainer every day and was thinking, if I had a trainer every day, then I would see results, then you're looking down the wrong rabbit hole. If you need a trainer every single day, then, my friend, you're not motivated enough. Because all you need is the correct tools and the correct person to help you implement those tools. If you need someone to literally drag you out of bed every day, you clearly don't want this enough.